Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram stories not loading issue. If you're using Instagram and your stories are not loading, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is not stable, so you can easily get these type issues. So you have to try to connect with stable internet connection, or I recommend to switch between Wi-Fi or cellular. If you're using cellular, so use your Wi-Fi, or if you're on your Wi-Fi, so use your cellular data. Or you have to open up your settings, then go for general, and here you have to make sure that you're not connected to VPN. Or if you are connected to any VPN, you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. Once you have disconnected, you have to retry to open your Instagram and then reopen your stories. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to make a reinstall on your Instagram app, or you can easily try to offloading your app. So open up your settings, and settings, go for general, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to look for Instagram. Simply tap on it, then tap on offload app, then tap on it again. Once you have that, you have to tap on reinstall app, and it will completely reinstall the Instagram app on your phone. So because sometimes it will be that there will be any bug in your Instagram app. So once you have reinstalled your app, it will fix all of the bugs, and you can easily use your Instagram without any issues. So that's how you can easily fix if your Instagram stories are not loading. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.